Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn the drug house management. Myself Sachin Korde from Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy Tanduri. In previous video we saw the layout of drug stores, objective of layout. Apart from that, advantages, disadvantages of rural and urban areas. These points we have covered in our last videos, and in this we are going to In this, we are going to study the legal aspects of drug stores, which are the legal criteria to start the drug store, these kinds of things, and which are the documents are needed, required to start the drug store, these things which we are going to study in these videos. Legal aspects of drug store, wholesale drug stores, minimum qualification must be registered pharmacies with the state pharmacy council. These are the educational qualification. It should be the D Farm, B Farm, or M Farm. They should be start their wholesale drug stores. The minimum qualification to get the register with the state pharmacy council is diploma in pharmacy recognized institution. For starting the wholesale drug store is a matriculation with 4 years experience in selling the drug in the chemist shop on salary basis, or diploma in pharmacy also being registered as a registered pharmacy. The persons who have sufficient capital and interested to start the drug store can also do so by appointing a registered pharmacy on whole time basis. If there is the non-pharmacy background, he should also start the drug house, but you have to appoint the registered pharmacy on whole time basis. Also, if you have the experience of 4 years in the chemist shop on the salary basis, he should also start their wholesale drug stores. There is no required to have the diploma in pharmacy degree for the wholesale drug store. Require the 4 year experience in chemist shop, also require the registered pharmacy. You should appoint the registered pharmacy, then you should start their drug wholesale drug store. Minimum space not specified in Drug and Cosmetic Act rules 1945. For new retail drug store, desirable area is 10 square meter. Minimum area required to open the new wholesale drug is 10 square meter. However, the minimum desirable on both wholesale and retail drug is 15 square meter. If you want to start retail, 100 square feet is required, and wholesaler it should also require the 100 square foot. But if you are starting both the combinedly wholesale and retail, then it requires the 150 square foot. Store arrangement, there should be sufficient number of racks. In the last previous video we saw the typical layout of our drug store. In that we saw the rack, how it will be managed, how it will be arranged. There should be the sufficient number of racks to store drug in pharmaceutical preparation. For storage, antibiotic, vitamins, vaccines, syringe and preparations and other preparations which are required to be stored temperature between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Refrigerator is necessary. The retail drug stores, a license required to sell the stock and exhibit the sell distribute drugs. Following documents are needed for a new license. Applications in duplicate form number 19 of the Drugs and Cosmetic Rules 1941. One copy is for the biological drugs and the other copy for non-biological drug. There is the fee 1500 rupees for license to be deposited in the State Bank of India Government Treasury under specific head of grant of a retail sale license. Attested copy, diploma certificate, registration certificate, matriculation certificate, affidavit from the qualified person in case of is employee of the drug store, affidavit on the non-judicial stamp paper duly attested by the first class magistrate by each partner in case of partnership, concerned by the proprietor himself, and the map retail drug store duly signed by the proprietor and partners of him. These are the some few documents which is required to start the retail drug stores. Recent receipt in case of rented premises or affidavit to be effect in the person himself is the owner of the premises. A copy partnership deed in case of partnership concern purchase receipt refrigerator. These are the documents required to start the retail drug stores. PCI planning to make the mandatory to wear the white coat wearing the name of registered pharmacist. Pharmacist who is running the retail pharmacy. The license is valid for the period of 5 years. It is required to renew before its expiry. Documents requires renewal of the retail drug license applications in duplicate form number 19 Drugs and Cosmetic Acts and Rules 1945. One copy for biological drug, one copy for the non-biological drugs free. Same for the renewable 1500 rupees required for license. Late 500 rupees per license per month or part thereof, original in case of first renewal and the latest renewal certificate in case of subsequent renewal. And affidavit given a non-judicial stamp paper by the partner if any duly attested by oath commissioner. These are the renewable document. From 1500 rupees we have to require, and if you are doing the late renewable 500 rupees per month, there should be the charges or fine in case of first renewal, and the original document in case of first renewal and that is renewal certificate in case of subsequent renewal given a non-judicial stamp paper by the partner. Once again affidavit should be given. Next document required to the wholesaler renewable application in the same 19 form drugs and cosmetic under rule 1940 copy biological copy for the non-biological fee same attested copy against a diploma in pharmacy institution registration certificate matriculation. These are the not renewable. These are the documents required for the opening of wholesale. Same documents required as compared to the retail drugstores. Same affidavit non-judicial stamp paper by the magistrate by the partnership concerned by the proprietor himself. Also the layout plan of premises recent in case of rented premises registration should be given. A copy of partnership deed in case of partnership is concerned. Purchase receipt of refrigerator. These are the same document which is required retail drugstores and the wholesaler drugstores. And the original license of the renewal of license to sell the drugs on wholesale basis is valid for 5 years. It is required to be renewed before its expiry. And these are the documents for the renewal. Fee 500 rupees, late fee 500 rupees, original licenses for the renewable to be submit affidavit given on the non-judicial stamp paper by the partner if any duly attested by the oath of commissioner. The original license or renewal license to sell the drug is valid up to 31st December, the year following the year in which it is granted or renewed. Separate licenses are required for the retail sales, Schedule C, C1 drugs, Schedule X drugs, all drugs other than the specified in the Schedule C and C1 and X in order to get a license to sell stock exhibit for the sale of distribute by retail drugs specified in Schedule. Application is filled form number 21 and form to be filled to apply for the license to sell the Schedule C and C1 drugs by wholesaler. The drugs which are covered under the Schedule X cannot be sold on retail except on the prescription or registered medical practitioner. Similarly, to get the license to sell the stock exhibit for the sales of distributed drug and retail, then those specified in Schedule C and C1, an application is required for number 20 and 20B if the license is sell drug other than the specified in Schedule C and C1. Thank you so much.